Hello everyone, this is our university UCTS. Now I am going to introduce you guys how our university achieved the Green Building Index rating at Continue Index. But how our university achieved the green building? First, our university has the rain harvest system. The rain harvest system is to store the rainwater for cleaning purpose. For example, flushing the toilet. Next, some of our lighting system in our university is using remote sensor. For example, in the toilet, when I walk into the toilet, the light in the toilet will automatically turn on. This is the car park that our university have. As our student is increasing, there is a new multi-story car park near the academic block. Now we are moving to hostel, and let's see what facility have provided in the hostel. Now we are inside our hostel. We can see that there is a basketball court, and here we have also car park provided for the student, and there is a cafeteria inside the hostel.
Okay, in our university we have a hall which is called LTC, Lecture Theatre C. In this hall we have 400 seats. It normally is used for foundation students to study, and in this hall the hall is very big and can contain many students. And inside the hall there are very good sound system, and so that the speaker, the lecturer can transfer their lecture very well. And this place is also the good place for the orientation and also the presentation for the student. Our classroom. And for this classroom in UCTS, the classroom provides a very good environment. And so in this classroom, we can see that there are many tables and chairs. There are very comfortable place for the student to study. And they are also provided air conditioning system. And this is really a good environment for the student to study and comfortable. And from this side, we can see that they have a whiteboard. And whiteboard is for the lecturer to write in the content, and so that the student can understand the content better. And there is also the projector, and this projector is for the lecturer to open or start in their PowerPoint, so that we can study it electronically. And for the window, we can see that the window design is suitable for the light to shine into the classroom, so that we can get enough lighting. And also the light and the lamp in the classroom. For your information, the lamp in the classroom is based on body sensor. So if I don't move, then the lamp will become dim. If I move, and the sensor will detect my movement, and also the light will be turned on again. And this is help to save the electricity in this campus. UCTS also provided computer laboratory. For your information, in this computer laboratory, from the door we can see that there are many computers. And these computers are for the students that cannot afford the computer, because most of the students they have the desktop in their house, and it is hard to bring to the school. And the school will provide the benefit for them, and so that they can come to the school directly and can use the computer here to doing their assignment, or also studying the lecture. For your information, they are usually for the computer science students. And this lab is for our food technology student. Actually, our food technology student, they are studying for making the new kind of flavor of food. So they during their experiment, they still don't know yet what are the flavor that suitable or liked by the public. So they have to make this experiment. Now I would like to bring you to our heavy structure lab gallery. So in this lab, we can see that there are many frames, such as single portal frame and double portal frame. The frame is used for withstand the load, which is 500 kN, and also for double portal frame is used for working load for 1000 kN. And we also have the strong flow construction, which we can see that there are many steps they can use to teach the student how to make the strong flow by the correct step technically. So if you are interested to come and to see that or come to experience our lab in our university, you may come and try it yourself.
Now we come to our SDSD in our school. SDSD in our school is actually the student center in our school. So in the student center, we can see that we also follow the SOP from the government, which is wear the mask and also test the body temperature, keep the social distancing. And in the SDSD, we have the ATM, which is from public bank. UCTS also provide some board game, and we can see that in this game there are the board game which is used to play the football, and in this game we can play with multiplayer, which means that you can play with your friend. And in this student center we also provide another board game which is pool, and for pool normally it can be played by 2 students, and the student can play here to release their stress during their study. Now we come to our school's library. In this library, you can see that at the ground floor, we have many computers provided for the students to doing their assignment. And in the library, of course, we have many books for our references.
Okay, may I ask that, do you like this university?
Yes, of course, I like this university.
Oh, what is the reason that you come here to study?
Actually, the first reason I chose UCTS as my university because it's the very first local university in Cebu, and of course the tuition fee is one of the attraction points because of the low tuition fee, and somehow the living experiences in Cebu is not so much higher than the other university.
Oh, yeah, okay. And do you have any recommendation for this university?
The best thing I wish to have in this university is actually I like to have more students instead of just this kind of amount. So I hope that university can really put effort in advertising the university, somehow promotes the university to the other students so that our population in the university will increase.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah, thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you.
I would like to ask you some questions. Do you like this university?
Yes, of course.
Oh, okay. And may I know that what is the reason that you come to this university to study?
I come to this uni is because it provides free foundations and the tuition fee is quite low.
Oh, sounds good. Do you have any recommendation for our university?
Maybe improve on the facilities and also improve the Wi-Fi connection.
Okay, thank you for your time.